Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at the 7 motorcycles that owners still love, even after 50,000 miles. Number 7. Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 has built its reputation the hard way by remaining reliable long after the odometer passes the 50,000-mile mark. Owners across the United States hold on to these bikes because they fire up every morning, idle smoothly, and don't demand constant attention. The low seat height, well-balanced weight, and relaxed riding posture make long days easier on the body. It feels planted on the highway, comfortable on back roads, and never twitchy in traffic. Power comes from a 745 ccs liquid-cooled V-twin that's tuned for steady, usable pull rather than excitement. The engine is widely known for smooth power delivery, low vibration, and strong torque where everyday riders need it most. It doesn't overheat in traffic and stays content during extended highway rides. Many owners report nothing beyond regular oil changes, widely spaced valve inspections, and normal wear items even after heavy mileage. The drivetrain is straightforward and time-tested, which keeps ownership stress low. Cost is another reason this bike stays in garages. When new, pricing lands around $8,000, and the used market offers plenty of clean examples for much less. Insurance remains affordable. Fuel economy is reasonable, and parts are easy to find nationwide. Most shops are familiar with this model, and many owners handle basic maintenance themselves without issue. After 50,000 miles, the Honda Shadow 750 stands as proof that real value comes from comfort, reliability, and a motorcycle that continues earning its place year after year. Number 6. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is one of those motorcycles riders continue to enjoy well past 50,000 miles because it never loses its character or its trustworthiness. In the United States, owners appreciate how solid it feels at speed and how composed it remains during long highway stretches. The riding position feels natural, the suspension stays settled on rough pavement, and the overall build remains tight even after years of use. It has a classic look, yet it doesn't age like a museum piece. Instead, it matures like a well-maintained tool that still performs its job every day. At the core is a 1,200 ccs parallel twin focused on torque and smoothness instead of high RPM excitement. The engine pulls cleanly from low speeds, cruises effortlessly, and stays refined even after tens of thousands of miles. Heat management is well controlled, vibration is kept in check, and the motor has a strong reputation for longevity when maintained properly. Many long-term owners report no internal issues even after passing the 50,000-mile mark, which speaks volumes about its engineering. From a financial perspective, the Bonneville T120 makes sense for riders planning to keep a bike long-term. The original price sits around $13,000, but resale value stays strong and maintenance costs remain reasonable for a premium brand. Overall, the Triumph Bonneville T120 proves that a motorcycle can feel special on day one and still feel right after 50,000 miles without excuses or compromise. Number 5. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 is a bike many owners in the United States continue riding past 50,000 miles because it stays exciting without becoming delicate. The upright ergonomics, lightweight feel, and wide handlebars make daily riding effortless, while longer trips never feel like work. The chassis holds together over time, and the bike maintains its balance even after years of use. Riders often say it feels just as lively at high mileage as it did when new, which is uncommon in this class. Power comes from a 689 ccs parallel twin known for its strength, simplicity, and durability. The engine delivers strong low and mid-range torque, reducing internal stress and keeping the ride relaxed. It runs smoothly, warms up quickly, and handles stop-and-go traffic without complaint. Many high-mileage owners report nothing more than routine oil changes, chain maintenance, and basic service even after crossing 50,000 miles. From a value standpoint, the MT-07 has always been a smart purchase. The original price sits close to $8,000, and used models with good service history continue to hold their value. Overall, the Yamaha MT-07 earns long-term loyalty by remaining reliable, affordable, and genuinely fun long after the mileage would scare most riders away. Number 4. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a motorcycle many owners in the United States keep riding well beyond 50,000 miles because it blends comfort, reliability, and everyday usability better than most cruisers. The low seat height inspires confidence, the mid-mounted controls reduce fatigue on long rides, and the chassis remains stable even after years of wear. Build quality holds up well, with finishes that age better than expected for the segment. The engine is a 649 ccs parallel twin already proven in other long-running Kawasaki platforms. It's smooth, predictable, and engineered for long life. Power delivery is steady rather than aggressive, helping reduce mechanical stress over time. Heat control is effective, vibration stays minimal, and the engine remains calm during extended highway cruising. Owners with high mileage often report the motor still feeling tight with nothing more than routine maintenance and basic care. From a cost standpoint, the Vulcan S continues to be a sensible long-term choice. The original price lands around $7,000, making it accessible without cutting corners. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan S shows that a modern cruiser can remain dependable, comfortable, and enjoyable long after 50,000 miles without demanding constant attention or big money. Number 3. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 stands out as motorcycle owners in the United States continue riding past 50,000 miles because it blends modern comfort with classic Honda reliability. The low seat and compact design make it easy to live with, while the strong frame and balanced weight keep it confident at highway speeds. Power comes from a 1084 ccs parallel twin built for real-world riding rather than chasing peak numbers. The engine delivers strong torque, smooth cruising, and controlled power that never feels strained on long journeys. Heat management is well sorted, vibration stays low, and the motor has a solid track record for durability when serviced on schedule. From a value perspective, the Rebel 1100 earns its place in the garage. The original price sits around $10,000. Resale remains strong due to demand. Fuel economy is reasonable for the displacement. Insurance costs stay fair, and Honda parts are easy to find nationwide. Overall, the Honda Rebel 1100 proves a modern cruiser can handle serious mileage while staying comfortable, reliable, and worth every dollar. Number 2. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 is a motorcycle many owners in the United States ride well past 50,000 miles because it keeps things straightforward, honest, and durable. The riding position balances comfort and control, making it suitable for daily use and long highway rides. The frame remains solid over time, suspension wear is predictable, and the bike doesn't develop odd behaviors as miles accumulate. Owners trust it because it feels consistent year after year. At its heart is a 645 ccs twin with a long-standing reputation for durability. The engine provides smooth torque, clean throttle response, and a mechanical feel that remains consistent even at high mileage. It stays relaxed at highway speeds and manages heat well in traffic. Many riders report exceeding 50,000 miles with nothing more than routine servicing, valve checks, and standard wear items. From a financial standpoint, the SV650 has always delivered strong value. New pricing sits around $8,000, and used examples remain affordable without feeling worn out. Overall, the Suzuki SV650 proves that reliability, steady performance, and low ownership stress matter more than trends once the miles start stacking up. Number 1. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a cruiser. Many owners in the United States continue riding far beyond 50,000 miles because it remains comfortable, relaxed, and dependable year after year. The low seat height and long wheelbase make highway travel easy, while the stable chassis keeps the bike predictable as mileage increases. Its weight works in its favor on open roads, and the relaxed posture reduces fatigue on long rides. Paint, chrome, and overall fit tend to age well, helping the bike still look right after years of use. Power comes from a 903 ccs V-twin, designed for steady torque and long service life rather than aggressive performance. The engine pulls smoothly from low speeds, cruises without effort, and avoids excessive vibration that can cause wear over time. Cooling remains consistent, the motor handles heat well, and the drivetrain stays quiet with regular care. Many long-term owners report passing 50,000 miles with the engine still feeling strong and unchanged. From a cost perspective, the Vulcan 900 has always been a practical buy. New pricing sits around $9,000, and the used market offers plenty of clean examples. Fuel costs stay reasonable, insurance remains manageable, and parts availability across the USA is excellent. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 earns loyalty by delivering comfort, durability, and peace of mind long after 50,000 miles become routine. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content.